Let's see how to copy some code from Blackboard into RStudio. And that may not be quite so prominent in this recording. So, get some starter code, copy it, go get RStudio, open up a blank window, new file, RMarkdown. We're going to generate a Word document out of this guy. Paste your code over the top of their code and save it as a markdown file, demo.rmd. Damn straight we want to replace it. Make any changes you need to do. For instance, we want to make sure this is a Word document. Save it one more time. Let's go ahead and knit it. Appears to be knitting okay. Created the output. And there it is. Bob's your uncle.